What's up, YouTube? It's your girl CT, and I am back with another video. Today, I will be installing this wig on my friend Shanice. This wig used to be a 1B. I have bleached it, and now we are installing it, giving it some curls, a cute little style, because she's on leave this week and she wants, to be cute. Who doesn't? So, we're going to put some curls in this wig and she's going to enjoy it. We haven't seen each other in a good little while, so we're catching up. We used to be recruiting out here in the same area, but now she has moved on to up north, so we're just catching up. And my daughter is on the side. If you look in that mirror, you can see some hair. That's Zoe. She's entertaining us over here. But anyway, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. We would love for you to be a part of this family. Thank you guys for the likes, comments, and shares. So, yeah, I really appreciate it. And I thank you guys that it's growing, and I'm super duper excited. If you would like to purchase a wig, a customized wig that I make, you will go to my website. If you would like Amazon wigs, you can go to my Amazon storefront. If you would like bundles, you can go to my website. If you'd like to book me, go to my website. Everything will be in the description box below. So, I will see you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy the video. and we are at the end of the video. So thank you if you have watched this far. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment. If you would like to see me do different styles, let me know. Comment down below and I will attempt them. So I will see you guys next time. Again, thank you so much for watching this video and liking, commenting, and sharing. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.